Alright, so we're screen recording. This is a straight follow-up, not a minute or so later. And yeah, yes, I know. I haven't posted a video about this account in a while. I sort of forgot to. Plus, you know, I don't think you wanted to see that, but yeah, I'll be redeeming this code. Once I figure out. Alright. Oh, by the way, don't try and redeem this, as this is not a giveaway. And I don't want you to be heartbroken when you can't redeem it for rewards. I also don't want to be yelled at when it doesn't work. Alright. Now we got the fruit box. Let me look quickly, go to the mansion. Well, not third C, but, you know, the place where you can spin in second C. I'll be honest, don't question me why I wasn't using art skating there. I generally don't know. Yeah, a bit earlier doing an ice raid because, you know, we're both trying to awaken that. And we even got our fruit stats while we had Buddha equipped because, yeah, originally we were trying to do spider raids, but the idiot had me equipped spider on the 4th island, which means his ass got swarmed by the NPCs. You can imagine what happened next. Yeah, and after that, in Ice, we were having an argument about what is better. The healing of Angel or Shark. Because, you know, yeah. Friends. Yeah. Let me check what's in stock. Nothing good. I will first spin. Or, you know, yeah. How ironic. Anyway, let me quickly scratch off my other one. Yeah, I would be complaining a bit more that I didn't get anything good, like, you know, shadow or something to get a perm, but to be fair, this is only my 3rd time opening it, and the first time I had a permanent. Sure, that wasn't the Buddha I wanted, but you know, yeah. Q7. But yeah, as I said earlier, again, this is not, and I say not, a giveaway. So please don't try and enter in these codes because they will give you nothing. I completely skipped H. But yeah, I know, every YouTuber that does this gives some away, but like, you know, yeah. If you do think I should do giveaways, get me to 1 like on this video. Oh yes. Oh, begging for likes and yeah. But yeah. You know, is one like so much as for a chance to win the fruit box? Plus it is free. Shulkin. I can't complain about the free things, but I'm going to complain about the free things. And a spin fruit. I know, this ain't my first time doing this. Yeah, I remember. A couple of days before Easter, I was allowed to have one person early, a toy or candy, and I chose the toy, and it was a blox fruit little thing, you know, it came in an own little case. And I opened it, and I got a ghost. Jesus, that was a delayed reaction. At least the money's great. Great-ish. Yeah, trust. What I'll do is I also get a singular life. Is not only to redeem, I'll do a video where I gain a random race and get that race to P3. If you're wondering why not P4, I really don't want to get a mirror fractal and do all that. Though if I ever do it on a whim, I will be recording it. Trust. Da-ba-dee-da-ba-da. It's pretty cool. So yeah. Anyways. Yes, I know. The last video I made was sorry there, forgot a bit. But yeah, I know the last, well, I don't know if it's the, yeah, it was the last video, but it was about an unboxing of the rifle and pilot. Maybe I posted a video or something? Nah, I don't remember. But yeah, it's because I'm trying to introduce unboxing to my videos, you know? Yee. Alright. Bye, guys. Bye.